Hey guys, this is going to be a real quick video. I just wanted to open this on camera so you guys see. This is the Boxyluxe box. If you can tell, I don't have the old box in front of me, but I mean you can tell how big this sucker is. This is your little information. Flip it open. Wow. Park Avenue Princess. That is the full size. It's kind of weird how they mark the things off. I guess so you can't like return them or exchange them somewhere. So get this open. Ooh, Laura Geller, a baked blush. This is a little eye set, and this is from, I can't read the company, Alamar. Oh, that's the one that did the palette last month. Little brush set, cute. Oh, how nice. I love Pretty Vulgar. They're just so interesting with their packaging. Oh, I had been looking at this. This has been on sale at Sephora. It's funny because a lot of this was on clearance. This was on the clearance sale 2 weeks ago. That is my baby girl. Hi, Mama. Hey, the baby. It's my baby girl right there. Oh, you get a Charmer shirt. Oh, it's a tote. Totes a Charmer. Okay. Ooh, I love Arnco. Arnco dry shampoo. Oh, of course, we all saw this. This is the glow oil from Sol de Janeiro. Oh my God, this stuff smells so good. If you have not tried their lotion, their body butter or the body cream, and this is the other thing. The funny thing is, I actually pre-ordered this. These are $49.95. I know that for a fact because I pre-ordered it. Actually, this is the foundation brush. I didn't get the foundation brush. I ordered the powder brush. Wow, that is so soft. Very nice. To me, honestly, this is too soft for a foundation brush, but I'll use it for something. Or if not, I'll give it away. Oh, how cute. The little headband. Some of this stuff is going to end up in a giveaway because a lot of this stuff I already have. Violet Voss. Oh, and that is just my color, too. This is a liquid lipstick. I don't know if it's matte. I hope it's matte because you know me, I'm always matte. In the color Wasted. Oh, gosh. And, oh, there's Nicole. Hi, Nicole Concilio. It's shitty what they did to you on this deal, but this is the coconut primer water, which I can always use more primer water. And Juice Beauty. This stuff is amazing. Stem Cell Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. I have dry skin. I can always use more moisture. But that, guys, is what the Boxyluxe looks like. The first one ever. I'm actually very satisfied with it. A lot of the items I already have, you know, and if you are a big makeup wearer, you know, and have a big makeup collection, a lot of the things in these BoxyCharms will be stuff that you already have. But anyway, guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.